I went for a walk in Massachusetts today to walk across a bridge that crosses the Connecticut River between South Hadley and Holyoke. One of the interesting things about this bridge is its amazing view of the Holyoke Dam, which is part of the Holyoke Canal system at Hadley Falls on the Connecticut River. The dam provides hydroelectric power to the area, and this is actually the third version of the dam structure to be built here. The first one was built way back in 1848, failed within 6 hours of its disastrous grand opening and flooded the area. It even stranded a ferry about 4 miles away on the shore, and I'll link to the story about this in the description below. The second dam was built in 1849, and then the current dam was finished back in 1900. Crossing into the Holyoke side now. I really appreciate that this is such a wide road with pedestrian crossings on both sides. That's really helpful for photographers, and I wish all bridges were like this one. I couldn't find out if these islands had names, so if you know, please let me know what they are in the comments section. It looks like they're used by mostly birds. And we're now going back into South Hadley. Here's a closer up view of the dam from the vantage point of the South Hadley Public Library parking area. Just standing here, I can really appreciate the power and the beauty of this dam. Really just enjoyed listening to the water crashing over the dam. Thank you so much for taking a walk with me today across the Vietnam Veterans Memorial Bridge in South Hadley and Holyoke, Massachusetts. If you'd like to virtually walk with me again, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one.